intelligence. Do you want to protect your bike from dust, rain and sunlight? So I bought very good product in front of you. So keep watching until end. So I will provide 100% information. Hello guys, welcome to Rudrasha channel. So without late, let's start the video. You can see here is my bike, Java 42 latest model. So I'll try with this bike. Hello guys, you can see this box. So it is already included in cover in this box. So you just need to do very simple. Just take the cover. Just pull it slowly, it will come very nice. This automatically it will run. It's really very good. You can see within a small box how much laser it is contained. You can see this bike right now fully covered with laser. Now you can see the cover is fully covered with bike. So it is contained very small, but now I'll show you that side also. Wow, it's really, and it is fully covered. Here a little bit wind is more, so that's why it is showing it. So you can see entirely completely it is the bike is covered. Only front wheel is little bit is enough, so but that will be okay for it, right? You can see from this angle, and this is the right side of the bike and this is the left side of the bike, so completely covered. Now you can see I bought some water to check this blazer how resistance from water. So let me put some water on this. Wow, really cool. If you want, the water is not at all standing on top of the bike. You can see once I put water, completely it is going down. It is not at all. See friends, I have put some water, but the cover is really very smooth, and it is not at all sit on the cover. It is like a sprinkles, you can see, right? So I feel it is very good. So cloth also you can see. So I feel it is very good. It is completely resistance from water, so you can trust. I already trust it. You can see here the brand name is Bike Blazer world first semi-automatic bike cover. So it is a made in India. They have given the website also, you can check it out. we have removed our. So then just keep it down. Just rotate this smoothly. This going inside automatically once you rotate this side. You can see now it's completely gone inside of the box. Now you can see they have given very good metal. This is the iron, and along with this is the plastic. They have given bike blazer made in India, and this side they have given screws that we can fix it to our bike, and this is suitable to any bike. So guys, this is about bike blazer, I mean bike cover. They have given very smooth and very strong, and we can insert the box very quickly and very nice and smoothly, and this can be carried anywhere at any time, and only once you fix the bike, so no need to struggle about dust, sunlight and rain. So completely your bike is protected from dust, rain and sunlight. So there is one more advantages they have given. If you comment on their website, so they will give you a 3 months warranty on this. So I already did, and there is a lot of people asking me what is this box, is there a speaker or anything. So I said no, it is not a speaker, it is a bike blazer, bike cover we can put by to cover bike. So they said they are wondering, and they asked me how much cost. So this cost me around 1000 rupees. So I bought in Amazon. So I have given link in the description below, so check it out. I hope I have given some valuable information in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment below. I'll give you 100% reply to your comment. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care about your family. See you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.